Let's break it down. The updates for the Polkadot, just a local one. I'll recommend you guys go and check today's video, educational tutorial about the trading you and AI copilot. This is like an agent and AI which can help you to analyze the charts. And in that video, the AI give us their own perspective for the Polkadot long and the short position. So we'll be interested in. Link will be under the description below to the channel. It's totally for free. So go and double check it. By the way, you can use it. There's a free version and the 15 requests for analysis, whatever you want. You can analyze the weekly time frame, the top 5 altcoins. I asked it also. And by the way, I asked the 5 top promising altcoins for 2026, and AI Copilot added the Polkadot also in that list and explain it why. So what's going on now with the BTC, guys? Dominance BTC 60-68. So it's kind of bad for the altcoins because we can go in one more correction. If the BTC dominance going higher, no matter what will be with the BTC price, for example, BTC price go up and the Bitcoin dominance goes up, right? Altcoins can bloody more. BTC can go down and the BTC dominance goes up. Altcoins also can go down. That's why I hope BTC dominance will reject really soon around, I don't know, 61, for example, percent, and altcoins start performing during the next few weeks, because my idea about the middle of the May, like a chop, local chop for the alts, can be still in play. And after that, so it's going to be the boring chop summer, and only in autumn maybe the alts perform in real. What's going on now on the daily and the 12 time frame, the 4 time frame for the dot? So this is a K level, guys. What I wish we not see for the Polkadot, it's a $1.09. This one, I hope we will go firstly to the take profit line. It's $1.86. Exit line is $2.10. So still in play. Lines are dynamic, guys. So just a few days ago, it was like $1.96. Now it's $1.86. So 10 cents different. That's why I recommend you just use this set and track by yourself, because you can miss the entry and the exits. All right. So break of structure still in play. Well, time frame, guys. Also, I don't like the dynamic of the lines. So like you can see here, even the like 2 weeks ago, it was like one on 12 time frame, $1.89. Now it's $1.78. Once again, the 10 cents difference, and we going down. So it's kind of bad, because if we will see some market dump again by end of the April, for example, it can be the test of even 89 cents. So I hope we will not see that drop, but 94 the buy line on the daily test, and the 12 frame, it's even the lower, like 90 cents. That's why now we're stuck in the middle. So I hope about the continuation, right? 4 frame, guys, we also like in the range. It's a boring chop time. So we can close this one. If we take a look, guys, for the futures position, I will not spoiler you the idea of the AI or the entry. But if we take a look, just based it on the FIB, so this is like impulse on 4 frame, we form the correction to 61. Basically, it's enough a correction. So the most negative case scenario, guys, if we drop again to $1.17, $1.19 on the 4 frame. Of course, for me, much better if we drop here and I open the position, because now it's kind of risky. If you like to open position now, the stop loss should be under the last extremum. It's like 3%, 6 with a 7-second leverage. So the target is break of structure. Maybe makes sense to try it, right? So 6% with a second leverage against 160. Maybe, but I better wait, because today is the Friday. Usually before the weekend, we can see the low volatility in the market. That's why I'm scared, but and I hope we will not see that drop. But during the next few days, we can see by end of the April, even the drop to the $1.10. Monthly candle, guys, we can confirm now at this current moment. So it's like a neutral. So no one is outperform another camp. Like buyers can't push the price higher, sellers can't push it price lower. That's why we're stuck in the middle. So I hope, of course, so we just skyrocket to the moon, right, and break the structure on the daily and go even higher. But like you can see, we still got a seller here. So this week showing us a lot of seller pressure on the weekly time frame. On the daily, we're just trying to hold the line at 61 level if you $1.22, but I'm not sure we're gonna hold it. Right, ADZ direction, guys. Market's mood. Futures trade, guys. I showed you potentially this is gonna be the better entry and the stop loss under $1, $1.17, stop loss under $1.14 with the target break of structure. This is a middle, like neutral on ADZ, not bullish, not bearish. Direction also not bullish, not bearish, just a neutral, guys. Unfortunately, no setup for now for the entry, so better wait, better wait. This is optimism on the market moods, not euphoria, it's good, but still not some like disbelief. Money power, guys, on 12th time frame, no money in. No money in. On 12th time frame, 4th time frame here was like 1, 2, 3 candles money in. We pump it, but this is not what we're looking for. This is money power on the daily, no money inflow. That's why I'm just on a sideway now. I'm not touching the Polkadot for the futures. Of course, I hope we will never drop to 63 cents again, but I can't be 100% sure. That's why, for me personally, this low of February 2026, it's so like important to not drop under, because if we not hold the line at $1.10, the road can be open to the $1 under $1 again, and the trade on, guys, again. What is good? So we still didn't see the signal to take profit from the buys and the sell signal. So I hope this is just a boring consolidation before the leg up. So this is what I'm waiting for. 12th time frame also no signal to sell. Only recommendation close position was here 6 days ago. Now no close position, no sales. 4th time frame, the same story. Here was a sell, buy back, buy back, buy back. Let's add alert to dot. This one, take profit from the sale. And I hope we will gonna see that signal really, really soon in the next upcoming days. And it's gonna be something like this one, take profit from the sales, new signal to buy, and it was bottom. Guys, write please in the comment what you think about a Polkadot. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show in this video, write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.